I just love fabrics. They're just so beautiful, and it's really fun to share them with you. So thanks for letting me share them with you. We start this beautiful collection. It's browns and blacks and creams and taupes, and it really looks beautiful together. We're going to start off with 100% rayon. This is a black knit. It's a nice black, good black knit, stretch in both directions, great drape, just beautiful. Beautiful piece of fabric for any t-shirt. I mean, you could do leggings. It's thin, but you could do leggings if they weren't too tight. Dress, summer dresses, all kinds of great stuff. This is a cotton poly blend. If you notice, Versace's doing a lot of, this is not a Versace, Versace's doing a lot of tigers. You can see there's a tiger print on there. Just really pretty. Cut it up, knot. It's got great drape, incredible drape, beautiful piece of fabric. Then we have this great taupe. It's a very pretty taupe. It's really a scuba. It has stretch in both directions, great drape. Scubas are changing. They're really, they're just so pretty. I mean, when they first came onto the scene, I guess the weave or something, I just didn't like them, but this is a beautiful piece of fabric. Great hand. You'll just love it. Great, I think nice for a pair of pants, a jacket, just really pretty. And I put it in with these prints because you can see it blends so beautifully with them. This is then another print that we have. It is little drawings, hieroglyphics we'll call them, hieroglyphics. This is a cotton poly also. Again, great drape, beautiful drape. Cotton poly blend, but just great drape. Stretch in both directions. This is a beautiful lace, 100% cotton. Stretch in one direction. Beautiful piece. You could do it, you can see my hand, you could do it alone by itself. You really wouldn't see that much. An underlining, it's very, very pretty. Very, very popular right now. This is a 100% cotton, stretch in one direction. This is great drape, stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. Beautiful deep brown. If you wanted to take any of these to go to brown, and especially this is a linen. And if you wanted to go to the brown, to the linen, 100% linen, this is a woven, beautiful piece of fabric. Slacks, jacket, either one. You can see it reaches over all the way to the blacks. If you wanted to take it with the black, it's very pretty with this brown. But just a beautiful collection, 100% linen, 100% cotton, rayon, poly blends, just lovely. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.